Hi everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today is a collaboration of a Valentine's home tour, and all of the participants will be listed in the description box below. So welcome to my home tour 2023. Let me start with my mantle. That is decorated for Valentine's Day. My whole house really isn't decorated for Valentine's Day, but some of it is. So I have some pretty pit berries, garland from Hobby Lobby on my mantle. And these really cute belt hearts that I made last year. My garland that I made actually today. It looks like the Ryen wording is called skinny font. No, the skinny. And I cut that out with my Cricut machine. And I put it on these little wood hearts from Dollar Tree. Coffee table decorated with a Dollar Tree Christmas tree that I made into a Valentine's tree. Olive in the background sleeping. She's looking at me. Hi, Ollie. She says, "Where's my blanket?" So come over here to the sofa table, and this is where all the cherubs are. I bought these candle holders years ago at Goodwill. There's two of them. It probably was a planter, but I found that at Goodwill also. Just have some little hearts in there. And these three came from Goodwill. And we'll go over to my hutch. Different gnomes. This little ceramic tree. It's a Valentine's tree. A wreath I made. Kissing booth from Dollar Tree. It's a cute picture with some felt hearts in there. More gnomes. Some Ryen mugs. My Valentine. There's a pink cup, Ryen. The little gnome sitting next to it. Ryen canisters. Love bug, Ryen. I hope y'all get a chance to go check out all the other participants that are in this collaboration. I got a sneak peek at Marlene's home tour, and she did an excellent job. This wreath I made a few years ago, and it's actually made out of vase filler. Very time consuming, but I think it came out super cute. I hot glued every one of those on a wire wreath form. have a whole lot in the kitchen. I have this gnome mesh wreath that I made. That was a few years ago too. I think that came out really cute. Then I have just a couple tea towels. My tiered tray. And then this little table over here I decorated. More gnomes. Little red truck. And then my table. I did a table setting for 4. Table runner was bought at Ross last year. Thought it was really pretty. Little fringe on the end. Little pearls in here. It's like rolled flower. It's really pretty. These glasses, I found these at Goodwill. I thought it was a cute touch with the doily. This is a little doily from Dollar Tree. It says love. Here's my gold flatware. Another tree from Dollar Tree that I decorated. I put roses and some red Christmas bulbs. I thought it came out cute. The little, the plate that it's on, I made that plate using my Cricut machine years ago when I first got it. So guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out all the other participants. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.